In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list real estate on Facebook Marketplace using the best method. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your property reaches potential buyers or renters efficiently. Let's start by heading over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, locate and click on the Marketplace icon. It's usually found in the left-hand column on your home screen. This will open up the Facebook Marketplace, a dynamic hub for buying and selling a variety of items, including real estate. With the Marketplace open, the next step is to create a new listing. You'll find an option to do this at the top left of the page. Clicking on Create New Listing will prompt several options. You should select Home, for sale, or rent. This choice tailors the subsequent steps to focus on the unique needs of a real estate listing. Now it's time to add some visuals. Click to add photos or videos of the property. This is a crucial part of the process as visuals significantly impact potential clients' interest levels. Make sure to use high-quality images that highlight the best features of your property. If possible, include a video walkthrough to provide a better sense of the space. After you've added your visuals, reconfirm that you're listing a home for sale or rent. This might seem redundant, but making sure you're categorized correctly helps reach the right audience. Next, specify the type of property you're listing. Is it a single-family home, apartment, or townhouse? Additionally, you'll need to indicate the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. These details are fundamental as they help filter your property to the users searching for their specific needs. Once you've described the property layout, it's time to set the price. This is, of course, a crucial point for both you and prospective buyers. Be competitive and do some research on similar listings in your area to inform your pricing strategy. The location of your property is next. Enter the precise address or general area to help local buyers find your listing. Accurate location data enhances the appeal as many potential buyers filter properties by their desired locations. Now onto the size, the square footage of your property. This provides additional context and value to your listing. Continue detailing the property by choosing the type of laundry and parking options available. These amenities can sway potential buyers and renters, so present them clearly. Additionally, specify the available air conditioning and heating types. These comfort details matter greatly in certain climates and can make or break a deal. Finally, once you've checked and rechecked all the details, click on Next, then Publish. Consider sharing your listing in realtor groups on Facebook to further increase your reach. By now, your property should be live on the marketplace, ready to attract an array of interested parties.